Executive Mayor's Letsema Service Delivery Friday. Emalahleni Local Municipality.
Because ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi unfortunately beninto wrong asiyoyivuka. You know, sizoyenza izinto ngendlela ecorrect. Sithimela nalabo abangabhadali. Most of all namhlanje besithimela ama-businesses. Because we've got a lot of businesses laba abakhulu asizange emphakathini straight size kuma-business. But le one we had to attend to it because it's illegal. So we size kuma-business sibakhathele bayakoloda umasipala abo 300 and something thousand. But they are making business each and every day. So we are going to make sure ukuthi ama-businesses anjalo angabhadali. We are going to cut so that they come to the municipality.
When you conduct Letsema, what we do normally is we check businesses that are not compliant. But today, there are few, I think, fundamental problems is to cut for the large power users. We are not cutting for the community for today, as cutting the community, but we are targeting the large power users. Who are the large power users? Those are the complex, the malls, shop, garage, ilaba, and they are not paying the municipality. That's the problem today. But we will be moving to another section where we will be patching the control. But in future, we are looking forward to this was with the center and resilience of the road infrastructure. Thank you so very much.
Okay, thanks.
A step to the right direction of keeping our community clean. This will be a kickstart in looking after our own environment and safeguarding our facilities.
So lethime lana ayizela uzolwa nomuntu bayenza umsebenzi wabo. So cela sibambisane nabo, singalwisani nabo because nathi asifuna ukufika la sifike nabo law enforcement kwangathi sizoshayana nomphakathi. You are responsible for your own electricity. Those that don't have electricity, they must go to them. The municipality is not closed. It's open now and go and arrange for their own. And you know this. They were here, who sent the team, and they told you that you don't have to give electricity to others. You are doing it again. So what should we do? Should we cut for you? Because it seems like you want to be the municipality. You can't be the municipality. The municipality is Malahleni local municipality. You can give electricity to others. So we're going to cut.
We also looking in their account how much they are owing, but in this time we're going to cut them off. It's a cable removal.
Thank you.
Pola location in Emalahleni, Mpumalanga. Filed this report. Nkosana Mavuso at MPRISE 22 days.